Lord, I pray that this corn will grow. In your name I pray. Amen. Oh, hey, Yate. Good afternoon. And welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is I'm planting it. To say I'm planting it in Navajo, you say, Kidishle, Kidishle, I'm planting it. Now, if I'm planting corn, I would say, Nada, Kidishle, Nada, Kidishle, I'm planting corn. If I'm telling you to plant corn, I would say, Nada kedele, nada kedele, you plant corn. If I'm asking what you're planting, I could say, Haish kedele, Haish kedele, what are you planting? If Ty is planting corn, I would say, Ty nada kedele, Ty nada kedele, Ty is planting corn. And that is today's Navajo word of the day, Kidishle, I am planting it. Have a nice day.